diagonals are quadrilateral? How many diagonals? Let me draw a small quadrilateral here. Quadrilateral means any four-sided
Any
polygon.
four-sided.
Let me take, this is a four-sided polygon. Yes or no? Is it a four-sided?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is four-sided polygon.
Ma'am, now you're asking individually, ma'am.
Now I'm going to call the students so that I can.
Ma'am, individually you're going to call.
I can call individually. Don't give
Okay,
group answers, but you can answer through chat box. Everyone should answer through chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
It won't interrupt others. Yes.
Ma'am, actually today we should discuss about the circle, right, ma'am?
Yes, we just
Yes, ma'am.
see these elements, then we will go with circle, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
We will just, because these are important for your grade, say 6, 7, 2. But 7th class, I think nothing is there. 7th class, we are learning about triangles, and coming to going to 8th grade, you have to learn more about your quadrilaterals. Okay, then the time, if you see what are the things here, what are the sides, Nana? What are the sides?
Ma'am, A, B, B, C, C, D, and D.
Yes, what are the sides here? A, B.
Ma'am, A, B,
B,
B, C,
yes.
ma'am, C, D,
Yes.
and D, A or A, D.
AD, anything. Now, what are the angles, Nana?
Ma'am,
Angle
ADC.
A.
1 minute, Nana. Jaydeep, please answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, angle ADC,
ADC,
angle ABC,
angle ABC,
angle BCD,
angle BCD, right?
angle BAD.
BAB, right?
Ma'am, it's not a DCD, ma'am. It's BCD, ma'am.
This one,
Yes, ma'am.
BCD. This one, Nana. This is again AB, AB,
Ma'am, BAD, ma'am.
BAD, bad. Okay.
Ma'am, again then CDA.
Okay, or else directly, Nana, if you have such a difficulties to find, then what you supposed to think means you just think about right, like angle A. This is also very same to this. Why? Because whenever the middle angle only we can take, right? This is angle A, we can represent even angle A, angle B, and angle C, and angle D too. This is both are very same, Nana. We can represent even
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
And not only this, how many diagonals we can draw? Lohini,
Ma'am, two.
can you please tell about diagonals, Lohini? Lohini, please tell about diagonals, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Sir,
Here in the figure, you just see where to where I supposed to draw.
A to B, A to B.
A to B already connected, right? How I can connect to A to B? It is side by side. We can't. We can always connect with vertices opposite, not side by side vertices. Not adjacent.
Ma'am, non-adjacent.
Not adjacent vertices. Diagonal. Yes, Lohini, network issue, Nana. Are you able to? Nana, opposite ఏంటి ఏముంది Nana ఇక్కడ opposite vertices what you have? Nana. Lohini.
It's C, ma'am.
Yes, we can connect. This is the diagonal, right? We can connect here to A to C is the diagonal. A to C is the
Diagonal.
And
D to B.
very good. Now you have to write here. A and C are the diagonals. Hello, Sudhisha. Why too late to the class?
Ma'am, still two people are absent, ma'am.
So that's
Yeah, Sudhisha, why too late to the class, my dear?
Ma'am, I met my grandmom's home, so there is a lot of internet issue.
Okay. Drona, is only two diagonals or any? How many diagonals we have for the quadrilateral?
Ma'am,
Nana,
4, ma'am.
Nana, 4. Where is 4? Please let me know.
Ma'am, 2 intersecting lines, ma'am.
No, only we have two diagonals. One is A to C. Another one is B to D. One is Let me draw with another color also so that see children, you are not listening, Nana Drona. Please listen here. At least my math class, you supposed to have a, see how many diagonals you are having here.
2, ma'am.
Yeah, 2. Please listen, Drona. Don't be put your brain somewhere. Yes, children, shall we go with further steps? The diagonals are over.
Yes,
Sides
ma'am.
are over. Adjacent sides. What are adjacent sides, Nana?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
how many?
side by
Ma'am,
side.
CB, BA, AD, DC.
Side by side. Vertices.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, AB.
Vertices
Ma'am,
are
AB, BC,
vertices are
CD,
point
DA.
A.
Ma'am,
Point.
vertices A, B, C, and D, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, adjacent are AB,
BC,
Adjacent
BC,
ADJ means
CD, and DA. AB.
adjacent sides. అంటే పక్క పక్కన sides.
Yes,
Nana.
ma'am. Next
Adjacent
to each
means
other.
side by side.
Ma'am, AB, BC, CD, and
CD,
DA.
and DA.
Yes, so AB is one side. Then AD is adjacent side. Very good.
Ma'am, BC.
Ma'am, BC.
Ma'am, CD.
BC
Ma'am,
and
BA,
BA.
ma'am.
CD, ma'am.
BA,
BA.
Nana. BA. Very good. Next, coming to
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
CD,
CD,
CB.
CB.
and very good. The last one.
Ma'am, CB
DA,
and BC are
DC.
right, same, ma'am.
Yes, of course, same, right.
Ma'am, DC, DA.
DA and DC are the adjacent sides. These are all adjacent sides. Nana. Adjacent means prakka prakkana. Immediately next. Next one, Sri Harsha, are you there, Harsha? Please.
Ma'am, diagonals and non-adjacent are basically same, ma'am.
Yes.
Anna, diagonals are non-adjacent, right? That's why we are giving
Yes, ma'am.
definition as a non-adjacent vertices.
Okay.
A and C are not side by side, right? Nana, it is opposite. Yes, Sri Harsha, are you there, Nana? Sri Harsha, Sudisha, please on your videos, both of you, quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Please on your videos, Nana. Please do that quickly. Now today, let me take a circle and its elements. Come on, quickly, we can complete those things, Nana.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this adjacent sides.
Nana, adjacent means side by side, Nana. If you take as an A point, A vertex, A immediately, what are the adjacent to A? What are adjacent to A, Nana?
Ma'am, AB and AD.
B and A and D.
AB and AD, right? That's
Yes.
why I'm taking first pair as AB and AD. Okay. Coming to B దగ్గరకు వచ్చాను అనుకో. If B is, I am sitting on the B. Who are adjacent to me?
A and B.
Okay. Now you understand, Nana. Yeah.
Ma'am, I
Like
understand.
that, one place. If based on vertices C, I can take this. Based on vertices D, I can take this too.
Ma'am, but in the notebook, we don't have to write B, C, CP like that again
No
and
need
repeatedly.
for your two small sheets, Nana. You can try to understand because adjacent sides are further we are going senior classes. You are using such a terminology in mathematics. There you won't get any confusion. Adjacent means beside, Nana, side by side.
Okay, ma'am.
How we are saying consecutive numbers as adjacent numbers 6 and 7.
Ma'am, they are the adjacent or the consecutive numbers.
Next, Nana, can we go with the next concept? Drona,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
our next
Yes, ma'am.
point?
Ma'am,
What is our next thing?
Ma'am, circles.
ma'am, circle.
Circles, ma'am.
Very good. Sri Harsha, are you there? Harsha.
Ma'am, it's a closed curve, but not a polygon.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a closed curve, Shudisha?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is a simple closed curve.
Okay, very good. It's a simple closed curve. I want Sudisha. There are a few elements on this for the circle. What are those elements? Please, any one of you. Jaideep, are you there?
Yes,
Jaideep,
ma'am.
please help us.
Yes, ma'am.
Today's class, Jaideep will help us for about the
Yes.
circles.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, circle is a closed figure with no edges or corners. It is a two-dimensional curve shape, ma'am. And the elements are, it has a center, circumference, chord, diameter, and then the radius, arc, segment, sector, and semicircle.
Wonderful, Nana. Wonderful. Good, Nana. Good. Now, please, can you please tell me what is the point as a center? Which we can suppose to take as a center? So let me little minimize so that you can
Ma'am, the middle, ma'am.
middle. Exactly, midmost point is right, Nana. Exactly, midpoint. Which is, can I keep here? Is it middle right now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is a point that is equidistant from the points of all the
Very good. Yes, very good. It is equidistant to any point on the circle, Nana. Suppose you take here, let me, very good point you added here. We can take here, whatever the, sorry. We can take at any point on the circle. How many points we can take? We can take an unlimited number. So any point, if you take the distance between all the points from center to, so on the circle is same. Yes or no, children? Is it same or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, from center to any point on the circle, what we call it as? Drona. Drona? Yes, Sri Sudisha. Yes, Sudisha, are you there? Yeah, this is center. Center means exactly midpoint, exactly middle point of the circle. So if I take as a center here,
Ma'am, I sent my answer in the chat now.
okay, I will check JD. Right, wonderful, good. Everyone supposed to send the points, Nana, very important. We are learning basic here means base is only very strength in the senior classes. What we are learning here, that is very important when you are going. Playfully, you're supposed to learn, no need of force, nothing here. To just see and why I'm unable to keep a point over here. What is the problem? Yeah, this is, shall I take it as a center? Oh, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I take it as center, ma? This one? Right. Now this is center. Center to any point on the circle. Suppose if I'm taking this point as any point on the circle, what we can call it as? We can call it as center to any point on the circle. We call it as
OA.
OA is nothing but
Radius.
very good, radius. If you connect two radius, that means suppose let me take
Diameter. It's a diameter.
wonderful. It's a diameter. Suppose I'm taking from this point to through passing through always diameter passes through which point?
Ma'am, oh, the middle point radius.
Middle point center, Nana, center. It is always passes to center of the circle. Suppose if I'm taking this point as A, B, we can call it AB, we can call it as what we can call it as AB, Nana.
Ma'am, diameter.
Very good.
Diam-
Diameter. Next, Sri Harsha should answer right now. Harsha, are you there? Harsha, you are
Ma'am, I
not.
sent things about the circle in chat, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Yadharth,
Yes, ma'am.
there is two radius here. OA and OB also we can consider as radius only.
Yes, ma'am.
A radius, two radius, one arc. This is arc. Arc means a curved region. An arc means a
Curved region.
curved region. So this, whatever the inside, the portion, what we can call it this portion, how we supposed to take here?
Ma'am, an angle.
No, of course it is angle. This region we can call it as, Jaideep, what we can call it as this region? Two radius and one arc bounded by the place we can call it as?
Ma'am, sector.
Very good. What is the difference between sector and segment, Nana? The region, whatever the region, wo
Ma'am, a segment is the region occupied by a chord of a circle, ma'am, whereas the sector is a geometric figure, ma'am, bounded by two radii and an arc.
wonderful. It's bounded by two radius. It's bounded by two radius. You have to check here. This is OA is one radius. Another radius is OB. It's an arc. In this region, whatever the inside portion, we call it as
Arc.
this is okay. AB is arc here. But my question is, if you take this region, complete region, AOB,
Ma'am,
if you
sector.
take this region, what we can call it as?
Ma'am, sector.
Very good. That region we call it as sector, Nana. Don't forget. That's why I'm taking with the different colors to remember. Next, sector. Now, my question to the boy who is there. Yes.
Ma'am, Drona.
Drona. Drona, please respond.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Drona, can you please, suppose if I'm taking like that, any line, which is no need of passing through always center. If I'm taking such a part, what we can call it, this line can be, we can call it as AB, or it's already B is over, C is also over, then we can take it as another name. Some D, E, D, E. Now this DE, who will say? Yadharth raised hand.
Ma'am, it is a sector, ma'am.
Okay, the region is a sector.
Ma'am, it is
Nana.
a segment, ma'am. Segment.
Very good. The region is segment. What you said is correct. This region
ma'am.
is
Segment.
segment. Very good. This region is a segment. Now,
Ma'am, I did not understand where do we call a segment and a sector?
sector
Ma'am, which is
always-
enclosed by a chord is segment, ma'am.
No. Sector is always formed by two radius and one arc.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
coming, you just see.
Ma'am, a
suppose-
segment is enclosed by a chord, ma'am.
Segment is enclosed by chord, and not only longest chord, we can use anything. Let me take a small example. Sudisha, for you only I'm telling. Sudisha,
Yeah, ma'am.
this is a small circle. You just see. Just let me help you here through this image, a small image. You can draw many. What are these curd? It's not eating curd, Nana. What is this?
Chord.
Ma'am, it is a chord.
Yes, it's a curd. Suppose if I'm taking another circle, these are the curd. Don't think as a mom, my mother is keeping a curd every day for me. It's curd.
No, ma'am.
The pronunciation is different and the spell also different. Yes. Sudisha, in this, suppose if I'm taking here, this is center, this is one radius. Yes, we know that center to any point on the, if I'm taking here this part, another radius, whatever the region bounded by these two radius and the arc, this region we call it as a sector, Nana. This region we call it as sector, but we are drawing many curves. Whatever the region bounded by a curved and a curved region, we can call it as
Ma'am, segment.
segment. Now you understand, Sudisha, what is the difference between curved and segment and sector?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget, Nana, don't confuse also. Very clear, it is a crystal clear, it is there. That's why I'm giving, we can draw many curves. The longest curve is, what is the longest curve, Nana?
Ma'am, diameter.
Ma'am, it's a diameter.
Ma'am, diameter. Ma'am, diameter, ma'am.
Ma'am, diameter.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear us?
please, there is a small work for you. You have to draw your circle neatly. I want to see each and everyone's draw your circle. Point, so make a point center to the circle, and you need to draw radius. You need to draw
Ma'am, this like this?
diameter. You need to draw sector. You need to draw segment. You have to make quickly, and I want to see your time only 5 to 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Neat one, I will appreciate you.
Ma'am, can you again once repeat what we have to draw in the circle?
Can I see your work right now? Who are ready?
Just labeling the parts, ma'am. Just 2 minutes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you once repeat what we have to draw in the circle, ma'am?
Nana, you have to draw first circle, Nana. First point is drawing circle. Second point is identifying radius. You need to draw radius and mark it. And the third point is diameter. First one is center, then radius, then diameter, then you need to the curve.
Segment and sector, ma'am.
Segment and sector. In that segment also you need to mention which is a curve, which is an arc also. Arc I didn't write on the screen. I will just write. This line we can call it as, or else if you have some doubt also you can take with some other extra circle region. You just take a circle.
Ma'am, spelling of arc is ARC, right, ma'am?
ARC, Nana.
Okay.
ARC arc. Then you have to make different curves. Which is the longest curve, Nana?
Ma'am, diameter.
Very good. There are many curves in this, but in this, which is the largest curve? Largest one is?
Ma'am, diameter.
Diameter. That point also you have to write. Diameter.
Ma'am, Sudisha is saying, ma'am, I'm at my grandparents' house, so I'm drawing the circle and difference between segment and sector in the maths pad app, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Or else take one bowl in your grandma home and draw it a circle. Nice circle you will get.
Ma'am, I'm drawing it in a MathsPad app. So
Okay, then fine. You can arrange everything there only. Very good.
Yeah.
Good, Mama. Neatly, who will label neatly? I will show everyone. Are you supposed to show your work? I can see.
Ma'am, is this good, ma'am?
Okay.
Here, ma'am.
Yeah, you are able. Yes, who is showing right now?
I'm Yathat.
I can't see Adar. Where are you?
Ma'am, my camera is on, ma'am.
1 minute, let me see. Yes, yes, I can see. Little
Ma'am?
closer, Nana. Little closer, please. Good. Yes,
Ma'am, is it good?
yes. Right, right, right. But
Okay, ma'am.
when you are doing in your schoolwork, you have to take your compass and using your compass, draw a circle and do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Tisha is relaxing.
No, ma'am.
Please share your work.
Ma'am, I'm doing it in the app, so
Can you share your screen with us?
yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, first you have to enable it, ma'am, because you disabled it for participants.
Where I suppose security, kada, right? You share
Yes,
screen.
ma'am.
I allowed Nana Sudesha. You can share right now.
Ma'am, then now you have to stop sharing, ma'am,
Oh,
because
I supposed to stop here. Okay, I can.
ma'am, now she can.
Yeah, Sudesha, I want to.
Ma'am, this is Ashwath, ma'am.
Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
why Nana today?
Ma'am, I
little
did,
late?
ma'am.
Very good, Jaydeep. Please show your work. Oh,
Ma'am,
nice.
can I just show after Sudisha, ma'am?
Yeah, Sudesha, please share your screen, Sudesha. We can even see Sudesha what she is telling about circle. Please explain, Sudesha. Right, Nana, radius you mark. Very good.
This is circle
Okay,
and this is the radius.
okay,
Ma'am, so the two radius
okay,
A and
anything. Okay,
B.
okay.
This part is a sector.
Very good. That part is right, right. That's all. Enough. Or else if you are unable to do also, stop it. No need of worry. Okay. What is
Ma'am.
that line? What is that line, please?
What, ma'am?
What is that line? DE line name. What is the DE line name?
Yes, ma'am. This is a sector.
That is a sector. Okay. So, is it a sector or segment?
Ma'am, this is a segment.
Oh, you tell again confused. You only confused. Now it is you are showing last one is segment. Now I want to know about what is the line of DE. DE line.
Ma'am, this is a arc.
Arc కాదు నాన్న ఆర్క్ అంటే కర్వ్డ్ గా ఉంటుంది కర్వ్
Ma'am, the arc is between A and B, ma'am, that line.
no just D is a line segment, right? That line segment and arced region only we are taking as segment.
Ma'am,
But
ma'am, you're asking the line
the
of D
name
and
of that line I'm asking, Nana.
Chord.
Very good, very good, very good. That's why I'm giving one clue also. It is not eating food. Then
Yes,
only you're supposed to remember.
Ma'am, because segment is getting enclosed by a cord only, na, ma'am.
Now let me give one more. Sudisha, can you please draw one more circle here?
1 minute. Yeah.
Now you have to make this complete through middle. You have to mark a line like a diameter. It should be possible. Diameter, please mark a diameter. Is it a diameter is a third, Sudisha? Is diameter is a third?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why?
Sorry, ma'am, it's not curved, so it is a curve.
Yeah, why it is a third?
Ma'am, because it is just like a line.
Oh yes, very good. It is a third.
Ma'am, it's the largest cord, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Diameter is the largest. Right. Right.
Ma'am, because it's going to the center, ma'am.
And now you can mark the segment and sector. Is can half of the circle is a segment or sector?
Ma'am,
Yes, please shade it. Shade it.
ma'am, it is a sector.
Is it? I told it is a segment too. Is you will agree, Jaydeep? Agree,
I'm
Jaydeep?
sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat the question once more?
Jaydeep, my question is, Sudesha drawed here semicircle region, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There are two semicircles we made. We can get two semicircles through this circle. So Sudisha is telling ma'am that semicircular region we can call it as segment. She is telling. I told
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is sector 2. Is it true or not? Jaideep, she is telling.
Ma'am,
it is-
ma'am, actually it is a segment, right, ma'am?
it is
Because
I will
ma'am,
agree.
sector is a geometric figure bounded by two radii and an arc, right, ma'am?
But it is radius only. Go to suppose it is midpoint, one side to radius, another side is radius, right?
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
you have to think little. Why I am giving such a questions means you have to supposed to think because yes, it is both. Yes, it is
It's
both.
both, ma'am.
Yes, it is
Yes,
both.
ma'am.
Why? Because we can call it this as it is a curved and bounded by an arc, so we can call it as segment. And it is formed by two radius and curved region. We can call it as sector 2.
Ma'am, but it's not touching an arc, right, ma'am? An arc is like a curve, but it is just touching a point on the circumference.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaideep, curve, what is an arc, Jaideep? Please let me know. Curved region is arc, Nana. Please
Yes, ma'am. Any
stop.
portion on the
Sudhika.
circumference, ma'am.
Just a stop. I will give some, just a minute. Stop. You
Ma'am,
can.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how do we pronounce cord, ma'am? Curd or cord, ma'am?
CHORD, no. It's not eating curd, but meaning is very similar. The pronunciation, who will pronounce clearly both? Sudesh, I will give to Sudesha. Sudesha, pronounce both the curds.
Ma'am, I pronounce it as cord.
Yes. See, what is the spelling for,
CHORD, ma'am.
H-O-R-D.
what is CURD?
Ma'am, it's curd, ma'am.
Curd.
Ma'am, dairy product.
Right, you are wisely left, you are wisely relieving from my side. Okay, it's okay. We don't want many things. We want the things like what is sector, what is segment, what is
Arc or
arc?
circumference,
Ah,
radius,
no,
diameter.
where is Jaideep? Are you there, Jaideep?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
No, Jaideep, you see, we are just discussing about arc region. This is arced region, Nana. You just see, this is arced region.
Yes, ma'am.
So arc means curved region, right? We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
call it, this part is also arc. This part is also, we can call it as arc. Yes? Yes,
Yes,
Nana.
Ma'am, a curved part on the circumference, right, ma'am?
Right,
but
right.
in that
Is an arc.
situation, it is just touching a point on the circumference, right, ma'am?
Yes, Nana. Here also circumference means boundary only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's just the region of the circle, ma'am, not the whole circle.
No, that is not a part of a circle also. Why? Because it is a boundary curve. Boundary curve only we can take it as arc. A curved region మాత్రమే మనం arc అంటాం నాన్న. Whatever the region here, the curved region only we can call it as arc.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we call this circle's circumference as chord? I mean arc.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, good point.
Okay.
Yes. Now, there is one more point I want to say with you children. There is the same radius, different circles. Same radius. How I can draw here? I can't do. Okay. Where is Lohini? Are you there, Nana? Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Lohini, I want a point from you, Lohini.
Ma'am, you're making an egg, ma'am.
No, I want to make same circles with similar, same.
Ma'am, you are just increasing the size.
Shape in the middle,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, just I'm increasing, but what I want to suppose to convey one more point here. I just want to tell some point here. Same, sorry. That's why you concentrate.
Ma'am, it looks like a target, ma'am.
No, target, of course. But it is what, Nana, we are, what is the same center for all the circles? You just imagine.
Yes, ma'am. It's the same center, ma'am.
Same center for different circles.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
have to see the third circle also having the same center,
Yes, ma'am.
and second circle also happening the same center, and the
And-
first circle also happening same center. What
Yes,
type
ma'am.
of circles is these are? These are? Nana, what is this circle names? Anyone from the class? Same center with the different diameters. Anyone, please? Ashwath Reddy, are you there? Ashwath Reddy.
Is it a arc?
No, of course it is arc. There are one name for this type of circles, Nana. Concentric circles. Please tell once again.
Concentric circle.
Ma'am,
what is
concentric.
concentric circle. Same center with a different radius. We can concentric circles.
Concentric circle. Okay, ma'am.
This is also very important point, Nana. Because you are you can remember many things. You have such a skills. God is given for the children many strengths. Comparatively, as you have a lot of skills, Nana, please utilize those skills.
Ma'am, I'm Ashwath, ma'am.
Ashwath, I can't hear you anything from your side. Why there is a quiet class is going on from your side? Huh?
Ma'am, can you
Huh.
hear me now?
Okay.
Ma'am, we can hear him clearly, ma'am.
Ashwath, why your network or my network? Please on your video, please. You always supposed to on your videos, children. Circle, same center with different radius. What type of circles those are?
Concentric circle.
Concentric circles.
Don't forget, Nana. Don't forget. Including these circle elements. Tomorrow your task is you have to draw a neat picture in your paper, and you just mark all the points like radius. Because today you are showing through any app also, it's fine. Concentric circles.
Ma'am, I'm
Now,
Ashwath,
can
ma'am.
we play a small quiz on this topic, Nana?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can.
Yes, ma'am.
Because there are most of the points we covered with the
Ma'am, can I share what we
Ma'am,
have?
this lesson was very fast,
yes,
ma'am, actually.
yes, you have with you.
Ma'am, we are doing quizzes, ma'am.
Quizzes only we can go. Wait, Sudisha, I can see your how much relevant things are related with that quizzes only we supposed to do, not all, right? Because circles, based on circles only we will go today.
Okay, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am,
Because
can you
we
hear me,
learned
ma'am?
circle concept, right? So if you go with that part, you can.
Ma'am, now you're going to ask us a quiz or you're going to give a link in the chat and tell us to.
We will play. Lohini, can we play quiz right now on the circle concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, I'm Ashwath, ma'am.
Ashwath.
Ma'am, I joined late, ma'am, due to some issues, ma'am.
No worries,
didn't
no worries.
understand.
Today we are just discussed about a circle and its elements. Please go through the points. What is the radius? What is diameter? What is the segment? What is a sector? What is a curd? It's not eating curd. Don't eat.
Ma'am, it's not a
Why?
dairy product.
Next it is what other things? What other
Ma'am, concentric circle.
concentric circles? This new terminology, please learn, Nana, please.
Okay.
Yeah, where is that part? Are you able to see my screen, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me share the link through your.
Ma'am, in chat box you say.
I will send through chat box only. Just a minute. It takes time to read that part.
Okay, ma'am.
One minute, Nana. Only 10 small questions we can play so that you can make sure how much you can understand.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute, Nana, I'm sharing. Yes, next, where is it? Where is my children? Yeah, Nana, please let me share my link. Where is the chart here?
Ma'am, quizzes, ma'am.
Oh, no, no. Control V. It's not copied. Why you think it's not?
It is quizzes.
Ma'am, you can also play with us, ma'am.
Yes, so that is something, there is different one, right? That one. No, 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 I'm not getting. Where is this? One minute, Nana. Where just I copied the link, but it is not.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, you can do Control C and Control V, ma'am. Copy paste.
Directly we'll get, Nana, but now I don't know why it is not copied.
Okay.
Sometimes the system was Control V, right? Control V. Why it is not copied?
Ma'am, Control C is copy, Control V is paste, ma'am.
Oh, Nana. Just a minute. Copied, link copied. Yeah, get game link copied. Not a clipboard. Students list. Yeah, you just I just shared. Nana, please join quickly.
Ma'am, where did you
I
share,
didn't
ma'am?
get any link, ma'am.
It's not getting
Ma'am, in the chat did you share, ma'am?
the chat box only.
Not there in the chat.
Yes, ma'am, it's not there, ma'am. We can't see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
It is there, no? It is not there.
It is
Ma'am,
not
it's not
there.
there, ma'am.
Not there, ma'am.
Why it is not going, moving? I just copied and sending also. It is not moving. Just a minute, ma'am. What happened to this, Sudesha? It should go, right? Something is. Just a minute, ma'am. I'll stop it.